Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper blade on a 1999 Ford Contour. The first thing you're going to do is lift the blade up off the car, and you preferably want to stand it up so that it's up by itself, because I've heard of stories of people taking these blades off and then they release the arm without the blade on it and it cracks the windshield. So you want to be careful not to do that. But you just push on the blade until it comes off of there. And I've got these Bosch ones, so it's got this little cover on it, and you've got to open up the cover. So to put this back on, we're going to feed it through that cover and then just push it on, close that cover, and we're done.